Hi, Warren Walborn here, founder of OutdoorBoiler.com. I want to be the first to congratulate you on your recent purchase of the world's finest underground insulated PEX. Thank you for your order. Thank you for your trust in us. And since you're making a big investment, there's 4 things we want to make you aware of while we prepare your order and get it ready for shipment. But first, I'd like to tell you about the world's largest database of free resources available on outdoor boilers at OutdoorBoiler.com.
When I first started this company with my dad almost 10 years ago, we had no idea how much money we would be able to save our customers. It gives us a lot of pride in what we're doing here.
My father and I have been pioneers in the outdoor boiler industry for several decades. We've designed 5 new outdoor boiler models, and we've invented the patent-pending technology for the cleanest way to burn firewood ever known to mankind. We have invested millions of dollars in researching and designing only the best practices for the outdoor boiler industry. So here's how this benefits you. At OutdoorBoiler.com, we have installation guides, maintenance checklists, free technical support by phone, and hundreds of articles and videos on everything related to outdoor wood furnaces. We will even tell you the hard facts that some don't want you to know about. To make it even easier for you to get answers to your questions, please feel free to just call our office and ask. We are not like those other companies out there that make it impossible to find their phone number. You can easily find our phone number on our website at OutdoorBoiler.com. It is 888-LOG-BURN or 231-861-8200. Or for after hours, or if you just prefer it this way, try our Outdoor Boiler AI Expert. The link is on our homepage. Simply ask the AI expert any question. You will have answers in seconds. So we are proud to be able to serve you and the entire outdoor boiler industry with all of these free tools and resources. It's no wonder that our website at OutdoorBoiler.com is referred to as the ultimate resource for outdoor boilers. And remember, all of our money-saving tips are completely free and available at OutdoorBoiler.com. When we developed this insulated PEX technology in 2008, our development team created quite literally the perfect product. After selling millions and millions of feet of this product, we've had precisely 0 failures. This product will provide you a lifetime of money-saving heat using the lowest cost heating fuel ever known to mankind, firewood. Again, congratulations on making one of the best decisions of your life. So what's next? We just want to let you know of a couple things so you're prepared. First, this product will be delivered on a pallet, which is an uncommon experience for most homeowners. It's not like getting a regular package from FedEx or UPS. When a pallet is delivered, the recipient is responsible for unloading the pallet from the truck. One option for unloading the pallet is to use a lift gate. A lift gate is a hydraulic device on the back of only some delivery trucks that enables the driver to lower a heavy pallet from the truck bed down to the ground. The trucking company will, of course, want to upsell you on this option, and it does make sense in many cases. So therefore, you're going to get a call from our office asking whether or not you need a lift gate to unload your shipment. The shipping company will need to know this as they arrange your delivery. There is a small extra charge for the lift gate if you choose this option. If your delivery is to a commercial location and you have a forklift or a loading dock and a pallet jack, you will of course not need a lift gate. Keep in mind that insulated PEX weighs about 1 pound per foot, so if you've only ordered a 100-foot roll, it will only weigh about 100 pounds, and a few strong men can easily lift this off the truck to avoid the liftgate charge. But if you've ordered a large roll of insulated PEX and you don't have a way to unload it, just choose the liftgate option and the delivery company will be able to get this product off the truck for you. So, the first thing we want you to be aware of is, number 1, please be prepared to let us know whether you will need a liftgate or not for when our office calls. Next, the trucking company will call you to let you know when your shipment will be delivered. Please make sure you or someone you trust is available to receive the delivery. The trucking company may also ask you again if you would like a liftgate. If you have already ordered a liftgate, just let them know that this should be included with your delivery. However, if you have not requested a liftgate or denied the opportunity to have a liftgate, please make sure you reject the liftgate offer. Otherwise, there will be an unexpected charge. So your homework item number 2 is to be prepared to receive your delivery at the appointed time and confirm with the trucking company your liftgate instructions. Now, most importantly, when the delivery is made, please inspect your product very carefully to make sure it has not been damaged en route to your destination. We cannot control whether a forklift driver may have damaged your pipe with their forks. If you see any damage, do not sign anything. So, your homework assignment number 3 is to please reject delivery of any damaged product. The driver may still attempt to convince you to accept the delivery, but you must reject the delivery and do not accept it. Tell the driver that the trucking company is going to be held liable for the damage and you cannot accept a damaged product. Now, let me put your mind at ease. Shipping damage is rare. We just don't see it very often, but we want to make sure that you're aware of it anyway and that you're prepared to handle it properly. Finally, just take a few photos of the damage and call us. Please make sure to send us those photos of the damaged product that they attempted to deliver to you. We will urgently build you a new roll for you and ship it promptly. We do not want you to have damaged product. This may cause a delay of a few days in your installation, but it is much more important that you install a product that's free from damage. So, your homework assignment number 4 is, if your delivery product is damaged, contact us immediately and send us photos so that we can replace the product immediately. Again, this is very rare, but we just want you to be aware of this to be on the safe side. Now, please pay very close attention as I share some of the most important installation tips you need to know about. First, depth. How deep to bury your insulated PEX? We're putting insulated PEX underground mostly to get it out of the way. You do not need to bury it below the frost line because it is so well insulated. But we do recommend that you bury it at least 2 feet deep because you will also likely bury an electric line to provide power to your outdoor boiler in the same trench. Note that we generally recommend number 14 AWG power wiring with ground type UF for direct burial for this purpose. And many communities have codes that require these electrical lines to be buried at least 2 feet deep. So after you dig your trench, just put the electrical line in the ground first underneath the insulated PEX. Next, the very important question comes up regarding how to backfill the insulated PEX in the ground. Never allow any rocks to come in contact. This will cause failure and void your warranty. You must backfill with sand or some other soft soil that will not damage the pipe. If there are rocks in your backfill, they will eventually push into the casing and could cause a failure. We have sold millions of feet of this product, and it has never failed because of this important precaution. You've made a big investment. Now, please don't waste your investment. This is a critical time for you. If you don't follow our 8-step program, again, remember, we've spent millions of dollars in researching and designing the best practices for the outdoor boiler industry. If you don't follow our 8-step program, it would be like buying a brand new truck and driving it without oil. You might think it's running great, but that won't last very long. So since you've trusted us with this big investment, you qualify for our free design service. At absolutely no charge to you, we will do all the work to build a completely customized design for your outdoor boiler system. All you have to do is call our office, answer a few questions, and we'll take it from there. This enables you to protect that investment and increase your savings. Here's what the free design service includes. 1. How to design systems that will last as long as your home or building, and how to save as much as $250,000 or more. 2. How to avoid things that can destroy your outdoor boiler in as little as just 6 months. 3, how to design into your system allowances for normal PEX expansion and contraction. PEX is an amazing product that has passed the test of time. It just has expansion and contraction coefficients that must be allowed for. 4, what should you do differently if your underground insulated PEX will go under a driveway? 5, how to save over 50% on fittings. Do not purchase fittings from Home Depot, Lowe's, or Menards, or any other hardware store. Here's a ball valve from Lowe's that costs almost 3 times the price that we charge. 6, we will give you the most professional designs. Again, we've spent millions on outdoor boiler research and development. So even if you were to spend the same amount of money on research and development for your own design, you would still reach the same conclusions that we have. So why not benefit from what we've learned? We will show you how to get only what you need, how to get the items that all connect properly to each other, and how to follow all the relevant codes and standards. 7, we'll show you how to protect yourself from the secret killer of outdoor boilers. Here's a clue. It's called sediment. Sediment is the secret killer of outdoor boilers because of electrolysis. And all outdoor boiler systems must have a filter. Not just any filter, a high flow, high temperature filter. We'll give you all the details in your free design. 8, and finally, your free design will come with complete drawings and full instructions, customized just for you. All you need to do is call our office, spend 15 minutes answering just a few questions, and we'll create a complete design for your outdoor boiler system. This will save you thousands of dollars on your installation right now, at this installation phase. And this design will enable you to save the most money over the long run on your heating bills for decades. Our goal is for you to add at least $250,000 to your retirement savings and keep your boiler in perfect condition for 40 years or more.
We want to help you save money on your heating bills for a long, long time. Our mission is to help you keep your family toasty, warm, and comfortable for decades. Welcome to the OutdoorBoiler.com family.
Visit OutdoorBoiler.com for more details or call us at 231-861-8200.